All right, good morning, Facebook. Here we are in Upland. It was day 2. We were here yesterday. So let's take a look of what's been done. So this house, they have bamboo in the kitchen and dining area, and then pretty much white oak everywhere else. So let's take a look. Kind of loud in here, but floor, it's got putty. We've already put putty in there, filled up all the gaps. They've done the first coat. So look. So the sanding basically took out that green tint that they previously had. Other guy here filling up cracks. So pretty much they got a coat down yesterday. They put putty. We're gonna filled up all these gaps right here. So that's just waiting for its second sand. But this pretty much has been done. You can see it looks a lot better. It's a lot more cleaned up. At the end of the day, it's gonna look really, really nice. Other bedroom here. Last bedroom. So once that's all said and done, it's gonna look great. It's gonna really pop out you. Homeowner had this section, which look, we're not doing any work on it currently, but you know, once that's all said and done, everything's been sanded and finished that we're working on, that's not gonna look as good. But hopefully they'll call us back. Go out here and finish this. Everybody have a great day.